Hey everyone, Mark Thomas here. I'm excited to be back with my friends at the ISACA Birmingham Chapter, and this year we are going big. On December 4th, I'll be delivering a full-day session titled Preparing for the Next Wave, Future-Proofing Risk Management in a Hyper-Connected World. This is a session designed for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the massive risk shifts coming over the next 5 years. And we're not talking about incremental change, we're talking about transformation. This is a virtual full-day workshop on December 4th, running from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and you'll walk away with 8 CPEs for participating. More importantly, you'll walk away with a future-ready mindset and practical frameworks you can apply immediately in your organization. Now, we have a full agenda planned for the day, and we're packing a lot of high-impact content into this session. Each segment is designed to move you from awareness to preparedness to action. We'll start by identifying and assessing the emerging risks that will define the next 5 years. Everything from new technologies to shifting regulations to evolving societal expectations. These are the forces reshaping the global risk landscape. Then we'll dive into future-focused technologies like horizon scanning, scenario analysis, and predictive analytics, practical methods that help you anticipate risks before they materialize. This is about moving from reactive to proactive. We'll also explore how AI, quantum computing, and deepfakes are disrupting traditional control environments. More importantly, we'll look at how to build adaptive safeguards to ensure your organizations stay resilient. And no future risk-ready strategy is complete without governance. We'll break down emerging regulations, the AI Act, DORA, SEC rules, and of course, digital trust, and translate them into actionable GRC practices you can implement today. Finally, we'll bring everything together by helping you build a future risk radar, a continuous intelligence model that blends data, ethics, and human judgment to support better decision-making at the board and executive levels. And we'll close the day by focusing on future-ready risk teams, the areas that risk, audit, and assurance professionals will need to thrive in a hyper-connected digital system. I'm really looking forward to this full-day session on December 4th and hope you'll join us for what's going to be an insightful, future-focused conversation on risk in a hyper-connected world. If you'd like more information or want to secure your spot, just click on the link in this post to sign up. I look forward to seeing you there.